Hello, eighth period math. Mr. Thompson here, sending a quick video out going over percents. It's something that we've covered quite a bit, but it's something that I know I've had a couple questions that have come to me on, so I wanted to shoot out a video for you just to go over and refresh your memory over how do we calculate percents of things, okay? So the worksheet that I'm sharing with you now, we're not going to go through all of these, but I don't want you to get confused. I went over a previous email with someone about, hey, how are we supposed to convert the percent into a fraction? You don't need to convert a percent into a fraction. You need to convert your percent into a decimal. Okay, and how we do that is I can share with you a long way, but I just want to go simple, okay? Let me go ahead and type on here. So I'm going to annotate. Looking inside the box here, so it says 21% of 68. So we're multiplying right now 21% times 68 to see how much money we are getting off. Okay, so 21% of 68 is the same as saying 0.21. Let me make a darker color so you can see. It's the same as saying 0.21. Okay, take where the percentage mark is and go over twice. Take where the percentage mark is and go over twice. So we'll go over that. So 0.21 times 68. Now at this point, you can use your calculator to solve. So I would do 0.21 times 68 equals 1428. So that's how much money you would get off of $68. Okay. Now, same thing. Let's look over here. I'm going to extend this. Is if you look right here, well, maybe I'll push it out over here. There we go. So now 85%. Take that, go from the percent mark, and just go over 2 decimal places. So now it would be 0.85 times 36 equals, now this is where you grab your calculator. Be $30.06. So that'd be a nice chunk of change off of the full price. $30.06 or 60 cents, I should say. $30.60. Okay. Now, in cases like this, I've seen a couple of us make this mistake, so I want you to pay close attention here, is where it says 8% of 144. That you were not just going over 1 decimal place, because that'd be 80%, okay? I try to make sure I repeat that in my videos, but just in case I haven't, you do not want to put 80%. You want to put 8%, okay? So you go from that point right there, or that percentage, go over 2 decimal places, so it'd be 0.08. 0.08 times 144, in which we would get, once again, I'm okay with the calculator, 0.08 times 144, in which you get $11.52. Okay, oops, not 112. Sorry about that. Okay, now, right now, on this worksheet in particular, it's asking us just to see, round your answers to nearest tenth, write an equation for each problem and solve. You may use the calculator. Okay, with this, now you can just put down what our percent is, or what our, I'm sorry, let me refresh my brain. I'm speaking in, I think I'm speaking in sign language or something. Looking at our worksheet here is you are getting your product right here, okay? Now, you're taking this amount off of this amount here in order to get your answer, okay? So 68 then minus 1428 would give us our answer. So you usually don't want to just stop at the 1428. So if someone says, hey, I'll give you a 21% discount off of that $68 item, and so you do 0.21 times 68 and end up with 1428, you don't get that product for $14.28. you take that $14.28 and subtract it from the $68 that was originally the original price of the product. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I kind of gibbered a little bit in there, but I hope that makes sense to you. Once again, if you have any questions, thank you for those who have been reaching out and asking me questions. I love answering them. And hopefully this video helps you a little bit more when it comes to calculating percentages. All right. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.